Hi and welcome to Cryptopia's How to Trade for Beginners tutorial video. To start trading on the Cryptopia exchange, you need funds in your account. If you don't have funds ready to go, we recommend you watch our How Do I Make a Deposit to Cryptopia video tutorial to know more about deposits. So for this tutorial, we assume you have some funds already. Let's start. The first step is to log into your Cryptopia account. There are 4 ways to trade on the Cryptopia exchange. Number 1, instant buy. Number 2, instant sell. Number 3, open a buy order. Number 4, open a sell order. Once you're logged in, click the exchange button in the top left of the menu bar. The left side of the page will show base markets for trading different coins against, or what are called trading pairs. BTC, Bitcoin, USDT, US dollars, NZDT, New Zealand dollar token, LTC, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. BTC is displayed as the default. Search or filter the coins available for trade using the Search Markets field. For example, you can type DOT or .coin into the search field to search for .coin. In this example, we will be buying and selling DOT in exchange for BTC. Click on DOT and the market information for this coin will be displayed. This shows historical data as well as all the available buy and sell DOT orders on the BTC market based on price. So now you have 4 options to trade. You can either instantly buy or sell the coin by matching with an existing order, or you can open a buy or sell order for the coin at a specified price and wait for another trader to match with your order. If you want to instantly buy coins, e.g. DOT, just click on an existing order you wish to buy from the list of current sell orders. This will automatically populate the fields amount, price, sum, fee, and total based on the price already set. Click on your available balance at the top of the box and the order will be adjusted to match your available BTC. If you do not want to use your entire balance, you can manually adjust the total to what you want to buy. The other fields will automatically be adjusted. Click the Buy DOT button to complete your order. This will instantly buy DOT coins and credit them to your Cryptopia account using your BTC coins. If there are insufficient funds in your account, a trade notification will be displayed showing insufficient BTC funds. If you want to instantly sell your coins, e.g. DOT, follow the same steps as before. Click on an existing order you would like to sell from the list of current buy orders. This will automatically populate the fields amount, price, sum, fee, and total based on the price already set. You can also manually adjust the total to what you want to sell. The other fields will automatically be adjusted. Click the Sell DOT button to complete your order. This will instantly sell your DOT coins and credit the BTC coins to your Cryptopia wallet. If there are insufficient funds in your account, a trade notification will be displayed showing insufficient DOT funds. Now we're moving on to opening your own buy or sell order. Let's take a look at how to buy to begin with. First, you need to input the amount of coin you wish to buy in the Buy DOT box. You need to enter this in the amount field and also how much you want to pay per coin you are buying in the price row. The sum, fee, and total will then be automatically calculated, but make sure that the total is greater than the minimum trade amount. Click the Buy DOT button and wait for another trader to match with your order. You can cancel your order if it has not been filled. You can also adjust your price or simply make your coins available again. Please go to the Open Trades page, click on the order you wish to cancel and click Cancel. Now on to opening a sell order. You need to follow the same steps as when buying. Input the amount of coin you wish to sell in the Sell DOT box in the Amount row, and how much you want to receive per coin you are selling in the Price row. The sum, fee, and total will then be automatically calculated. Please make sure that the total is greater than the minimum trade amount. click the Sell Dot button and wait for another trader to match with your order. As with an open buy order, you can still cancel the sell order if your order has not been filled. You can also adjust your price or simply make your coins available again. Please go to your Open Trades page, click on the order you wish to cancel, and click Cancel. Happy trading!